but you are very famous.
Okay.
I-disqualify nila ako, dahil hindi ako kilala.
These are all the media covering the filing of the COC. That's me. So, stay tuned.
Baka ma-disqualify. Walang pera, walang tax. Pero may pera ka.
May cold ka lang.
You're just waiting for 8 o'clock. You're just waiting for 8 o'clock to start. They're filing now the certificate of candidacy.
Thank you, ayan na.
Yes, it's
The 1
started.
minute is over.
Okay.
Sinutol papunta naman dito mamaya. Yung dito kasi nakakapunta.
Just take to the other side.
Naragay ko yung application.
What are you running, sir? What are you running for? Yeah, running for. And it's starting over here.
Kaya pala wala reporter sa labas eh.
Ha?
Kaya pala wala mga reporter sa labas.
Bakit? Nandito.
Nandito na.
I know.
ID. ID ngayong kulikas.
Tiyan kita.
Oh, sige.
Antayin niyo kami.
Okay.
May bigyan ko ilan. Meron pang gold-plated jacket.
Ilan daw tayo?
Ano?
Pengi.
Ha?
Pengi isa. Wala ka sa wala ka. Fantastic.
What are they holding?
Thank you, ha? Okay. Kudakan niyo ako, dahil I'll be the first Mindanaoan president.
Oh, you're fighting for
Mahirap naman eh, sila na lang palagi.
Correct.
Hold on.
Ano yung,
Huwag niyo akong utuutuin, ha?
ano yung COC?
Over here, sir.
Eddie, yung COC mo, nasaan? Pakita mo yung COC, sir.
Can you show your COC?
Yung, ano, yung application, yung kanina.
What are you doing?
He's running for
Yeah.
president. Nice, sir. Can you come
Sir, i-ano mo na sa, i-ano mo sa'yo, i-ano mo, yung kamay, yung dalawang kamay.
Oh, sige. Sige.
Yan.
closer? There. The filing of the certificate of candidacy. He's running for president.
Okay. Okay na. Okay na. Okay na.
Sila baka magagalit na sila sa akin. Ha? Ha?
Susunod ka ba?
Mamaya na.
Sir, we don't know when he's running, coming here. So, we're just waiting. Yeah, he wants to be the first Mindanaoan president. Earlier. I'm gonna ask,
Yan si Senator.
what is Senator Lacson running for?
Senator.
Senator Lacson. Senator.
Dong, saglit lang. Paano natin si Senator? Sir, yan. Sir, lapit pa, sir. Sir, lapit dito. Sir, lapit dito. Okay. Sir, lapit lang. Okay. Yan. Yan. Okay. Doon. Si Cowboy. Palapitin natin. Oh, dito. Dito, sa nila lang. Pakita mo, Cowboy. Yan. Ayan. Yan. Saglit lang.
Anaw na! Itigil na ang korupsyon sa bansa!
Okay.
Game na!
Okay na. Game na. Sino yun?
Bina is here? Oh, Bina is already here. Vice President Jojo Binay.
Dito sa unahan.
Vice President
Yan si Gringo. Kasama sila.
Nancy Binay.
Sorry, Pakit. Senator.
Ringo.
Senator. Magtabi kayo. Magtabi. Upo na.
Yan. Ringo.
So, Ringo Nasan and Vice President Jojo Binay is already.
Ay, sorry.
Yes. Vice.
Okay lang.
Chip, upuan daw kami. Dito ka sa camera, Chip. Upuan daw po kami camera. Tama kayo sa camera.
Ano?
Tawag po kayo sa camera. Kasi yun daw po.
Hello, Randall.
Salamat po.
Am I seeing? Okay, can you tell me? That's Vice. So there's Vice President Jojo Binay over there. It's gonna look
President na!
Mamaya, sabay kayo mamaya pag gano'n. Yung COC. Yung COC, ito kami nga. Saan? Oo.
I'm coming back. I'll just take some photos.